Bank of America versus Chase business account. Who is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which banking platform is better among Bank of America and Chase Business. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Bank of America. Bank of America has extensive network of branches and ATMs across the US, providing convenient access to in-person banking services. Offers a wide array of banking products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and investment services through Merrill Lynch. Offers competitive rewards programs, particularly for credit card holders and preferred rewards members. Access to Merrill Edge for investment accounts, providing a seamless integration between banking and investment services. Multiple support channels, including 24/7 customer service, chat, and in branch assistance. Somehow, many Bank of America accounts come with monthly maintenance fees, though these can often be waived with direct deposit or maintaining a minimum balance. As a large national bank, some customers may experience less personalized service and longer wait times for assistance. Savings account interest rates are generally lower compared to those offered by some online banks and other competitors. Now, let's come towards Chase Business Account. Chase provides a comprehensive range of business banking solutions, including checking, savings, credit cards, and loans. You benefit from access to a large number of branches and atoms across the country. Chase offers advanced online banking tools and a mobile app for efficient account management. It has various account types to suit different business needs, including options for low fees, and offers various business credit cards with rewards and cashback options. But there can be potentially high fees for account maintenance and transactions, especially if balance requirements are not met. There are reports of varying customer service experiences, with some users finding support lacking, and some users find the account options and fee structures to be complex and difficult to navigate. Choosing between Bank of America and Chase in 2024 depends on your business needs and preferences. Bank of America offers a wide range of services and extensive support, while Chase provides a comprehensive set of banking solutions with a large branch network and additional benefits. Consider your requirements for fees, accessibility, and customer support to determine which business account aligns best with your needs. That's all for this video.